mercury hit an all-time high in some places.
Oh,
Junction, Colorado,
there's some excitement.
7 degrees. Dead south.
Requirements and restrictions to apply.
Cash and Carry Carpet Outlet is your answer for high-quality flooring at the lowest price. Trust me, it's worth getting a quote from them today and take advantage of the huge sale they have going on right now.
Programs like child care, for example. Discussion with West Virginia Republican Senator Shelley Capital broke down last week due to disagreements over the cost and without the very definition of infrastructure. How to pay for it is another matter.
There won't be a gas tax increase, and there won't be during the 2017 tax reform bill.
That's Maine Republican Senator Susan Collins speaking on CBS's Face the Nation. But while she says no new taxes, President Biden has proposed raising taxes on the wealthiest Americans and on corporations. Collins says
You know, I moved out of my way, but you want to tailgate.
User fees, for example.
There could be a provision for electric vehicles to pay their fares.
One Mazda CX-5 SUV with 0% financing for 36 months. Or set out on your next vacation in a new 2021 Mazda 6 with 0% for 60 months. Or do you need cash in your pocket? We want to buy your car, even if you don't buy from us. Get an instant offer today. We're ready to buy all cars in all conditions. Get the most we ever offered. Discover the hottest sales of the summer going on now. Get started online.
And he did something stupid.
Or come see us today at Augusta's only Mazda dealer, Carol Jones Mazda. 0% financing for 36 or 60 months on selected 2021 Mazda with a free credit. Tax tag at all dealers. Full vehicle bill. Dealer for details. Offer expired 6/30/21.
Make your world a little brighter with Benjamin Moore paint from Gerald Robinson's Paint Center.
That I've been using for the last two years now from your CBD store. The best products from the best line of CBD manufacturers, the best CBD manufacturer in the country, which is the Sunmed company. They have been able to reduce prices over the years because so many more people have been using the products, saving on volume, that type of thing, rather than keeping the prices artificially higher, or worse yet, jacking them up because of the popularity. They actually decided to lower their prices because they wanted more people.
Somebody asleep at the wheel, but it lets me make my turn. That's not a good spot for a U-turn.
No, it was my turn.
They don't die. But I just want you to do like a sermon. If you're in church, if you got a mind to go to church and you preach this one sermon to get this message, you ain't always across the board. And then that sermon for something else on the next following Sunday.
No, you're not going to blow up these things. But anyway, the long term is right. You need to be not coughing, wheezing, or emphysema filled.
What are you doing? You can't drive faster than him. He's in front of you.
Oh.
Come on, dude.
Dogs are that small. I think that's a long-haired chihuahua. Oh. What?
Well, that one's pretty good, huh?
Game 1%. 500 index heat. Outlook Friday record close. Reports third straight winning week, so it's going to shoot before this week. Tech CEOs using their weekends to figure out responsibility to bipartisan antitrust reforms unveiled by lawmakers in Washington. It could reshape Amazon and Apple.
Dude, why'd you speed up to block this guy?
President Biden and the G7 leaders in England on board for a global minimum
Let him pass.
rate of at least 15% to press companies for shopping, not paying duty taxes. Royal Caribbean says no change to its summer sailing plans. Even though at least 2 passengers on its fully vaccinated Caribbean Cruise last week tested positive. Ford with a milestone, 100,000 reservations for its all-electric F-150 pickup.
That's all fine and good, except for the mattress has to be moved. So the men from my grandfather's furniture store, that's all fine and good, except for the mattress has to be moved. So the men from my grandfather's furniture store.
Carpets.com, cash and carry carpet outlet. The only thing bigger than our selection is your savings.
Business owners, would you like 0%?
About Rush's legacy. Rush was credited in many, many ways for being the guiding force behind Donald Trump. If Rush had been...
WGEC News Time is 4:32. Stay tuned for the second half of the Austin Road Show.
That's coming up. Maybe we noticed that in 2016 when President Trump won, as soon as he won, first one, all the things that had been the Russian collusion. 2018, Stacey Abrams said she couldn't concede it. She still had to concede it, even though she got people $50,000. And now 2020, we had the same thing of disinformation. Well, what that does is that hurts voter confidence. So whenever we can, restore voter confidence by making sure we have objective measures, that's a good thing. So that's a great thing about that bill right there. Also, the issue when Michael Bill, the Chinese have Michael Bill out. So Michael Bill, no need to get more. This is the policy. I'm not going to go with the policy. People are how many people are working their way up here. All of our policy. I'm not going to get the policy. You'll hand out water, come out fine. 151 feet, 200 feet, whatever you want, but not in the 150-foot zone.
Austin will be back in the captain's chair right after these messages and a look at the weather once again by our staff meteorologist Steve Smith.
Oh, come on the wacky wave and let's have us some fun. Come on, son. Hey, come on.
This hour of the Austin Road Show is powered by Southern Siding and Windows.
Part of the high credit card processing bill?
I'm not invisible.
Galaxy. Nobody got the biggest, bestest flowers like wacky wave, and we got them at the best price in the whole.
I just think it's a better way to go rather than this tiered. For those of you who are not aware of how they handle it, when you vote in the mayoral race in New York, you're asked, I don't know how many favors do you ask to get? 2 or 3, or 1, more than one is but 2 or 3 in order to be convenient, all that stuff. And again, I lived in the suburbs out in Alpharetta. Traffic is an issue. And thank God in heaven I never had to go into work every day in downtown Atlanta. That's like jumped off a bridge where it was all said and done. It would have driven me up the wall. But people make it.
I mean, listen, representing the 10th district.
Oh, wow.
Greatest honor.
Defendant has to show that something in the process went very wrong in order to justify the trouble and expense of starting all over again with a new trial. So this trial, Laura argued, and I think convinced, really wasn't fair for all the reasons we